Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. You can see the base dimension here 140 by 82 and thickness is 15 mm. First I will create this base in the top plane. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select the extruded boss, select the top plane, create one circle first. The dimension is 18 into 2 and distance is 70. Give the vertical constraint. Next create one corner rectangle. Give the dimension 140 and this is 82 mm. Give the constraints here, vertical, and give the horizontal constraint. Trim this circle, unwanted lines. Create one circle. The diameter is 22 mm. So finish sketch. Select both the faces. The thickness is 15 mm. Next select this face, sketch, create one circle, create two circles, give the dimensions 44 and 28. Here to here 54 mm. Give the vertical constraint. Okay, trim the unwanted lines. Okay. We need to create one line here. Trim this circle. So that's it, finish. Now select extrude. This face, reverse the direction. The thickness is 18 mm. Here select the sketch again, extrude, reverse the direction, length we required 28 mm. Next select this face, sketch, create one circle here, give the dimensions. Outer diameter is 50 and inner diameter is 25 mm. So distance from the bottom 65, from the side 50. So select line, create sketch like this. Give the dimensions here. This is 28 minus 15. So give the horizontal constraint. So we can trim these lines. Finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction. Okay, we need to add one edit sketch. Select the line, create line like this. So finish, extrude, select this face first, reverse the direction, length is 22 mm. Next select sketch again, extrude, select this and this face, reverse the direction, distance we want 12 mm. So select both the extruded, mirror, mirror about center plane. Okay, Control 7. So that's it friends. We can assign the material here, steel, brushed steel. Edit appearances, we can assign the color. So that's the today's session friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. Finally give the some fillet here. So thanks for watching this session friends. We'll see you in the next session.